Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Pixaxi. In today's video, I'm going to show you shortkeys to use on your Microsoft Word document when working on them. So let's open our document first. Microsoft is already open. You can see it. You can see the document there. You can see the document. You can see it. So the first button I'm going to show you is Control A. Control A is to highlight. You want to highlight what is your document. Press Control A, which is, you can see. Let me show you. Look at Control button here. You can see it. You can see our A button there. So let me press it. Control A. You can see it highlighted. You can see everything is being highlighted. You can see. Let me scroll down. Control A. Let me shift it back. You can see everything is highlighted. You can see it. So that is a work of Control A. See it. Everything is being highlighted. Our next button, the next shortcut I'm going to show you is Control C, which is to copy. Control C is to copy. Let me press it. See our control button here, down. Look at our C here. Control C. Everything highlighted is already copied now. So let me go and effect it. Let me go and paste it, which is Control V to paste. So let me open another new document to show you new document. Then open it, blank document. As it is open now, as it is open now. Control V. And it's loading. It's here now. Everything is here. You can see it. Sorry. Sorry. You can see it. Everything is pasted here, which is Control V. So another button I'm going to show you is how to open a new workspace without you going to file, new, and all that. Just press your Control N, which is Control N. Let me press it. Look at our control button here. Look at our N here. You can see the N there. So let me just press it, Control N, which means I've taken us to another new workspace. Instead of going to file, new, then you type all this, that just press your Control N to open a new workspace for you. Then another thing is another button I'm going to show you is Control P, which is to print. For example, eventually this computer is connected to a printer. When I press my Control P, send the document to the printer. Let me just show you. Control, you can see the control button here. Control P. Look at that control button here again. At the other side, control here. Look at P there. Just press it. Control P. Let me show you. Control P. Look at it. It's there already. Showing whether you want to print. You can look at here. You can see it here. See the printer that is there. Ready. Microsoft print to PDF. You can select what you want to print, either to PDF or to normal Word or this kind of thing. Just select it there. That is that. Control P to send to printer. Then another thing I want to show you, another important thing I want to show you, another important to show you that will make you more superior when you are with your fellow mates operating. Just like, what did you just press? What did you just do? What did you just, that kind of thing, that kind of impression. And just do it and they will like, what this guy just thought, what this guy thought, this kind of thing. So let me show you that one. That one is to shut down your system without you going through the shutdown button, without you going to the, just have to just press alternate F4. Just press it, alternate F4. Alternate F4 will help you to just shut down your system. But first, before you shut down, you will bring out a command saying that you want to off it, whether you press OK or you press enter. You understand that? Let me just go through. Look at the alternate button here. You can see it down close to Windows button. Look at Windows, look at alternate here. Then just press it alternate. Look at our F4 there. F4, you can see the F4 button there. So alternate F4. Just press it. and therefore look at the command that I've shown on the screen. It's saying, what do you want the computer to do? It's trying to tell us. Look at here, shutdown. When I touch here, this arrow down, you see what is switch user, sign out, sleep, shutdown, restart. So what I want to do is shutdown. So what you just do, you just press your enter button, or you bring your cursor down, just tap OK, or you press enter on your keyboard, enter. But it is shutting down. It's a shutdown. If you find this video interesting and you want to watch more of my videos, kindly subscribe and don't forget to comment. And if you want me to do any video on anything, you can also comment, and I will look to your comment and work on those videos. Thank you. I love you guys.